So guess what? It looks like Polar is gearing up to drop something big soon, specifically the Vantage M3. Yeah, it's been over 3 years since the Vantage M2 launched, and now some sneaky bits of code spotted in Polar's own smartphone app are pointing to a new addition to the lineup. It's not officially confirmed yet, but these kinds of leaks usually mean it's just a matter of time. If you're a Polar fan, you might want to keep an eye on this one. Now, we don't have all the juicy details, but the discovery hints that Polar's hard at work on the M3, and this could be a major upgrade, especially because the Pacer series has made the M2 feel a bit, well, outdated. So the big question is, how will the Vantage M3 stand out? Let's talk about a couple of upgrades we're hoping for. First off, how about a touchscreen? The M2's transflective display was nice and all for those bright sunny days, but in 2024, people want more. Imagine being able to scroll, swipe, and tap your way through the menu with ease. Plus, if Polar throws in an AMOLED display, we're talking sharper colors and better visuals overall. Another feature that would really set the Vantage M3 apart? Built-in music storage. I mean, who doesn't want their workout playlists right there on their wrist? No need to carry your phone around, just sync your music and go. It's a feature many of us have been waiting for, especially with how popular music streaming is these days. But wait, there's more. The Vantage M2 missed out on some key health tracking features, like SpO2 monitoring, which is becoming a standard in most fitness wearables. And let's be real, sleep tracking could use a bit of work too. It's not as accurate as some of its competitors, and that's something we're hoping the M3 improves with better sensors and metrics. Lastly, battery life. While the Vantage M2 can handle workouts pretty well, it tends to drain quicker when you're not actively using it. That's a problem, especially compared to other brands like Garmin and Coros. A beefier battery for the M3 would solve that, and fingers crossed we get it. So, what are you hoping for in the Polar Vantage M3? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this and other upcoming tech.